Want to import an Elementor template kit to your WordPress site? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can start designing faster and smarter. But before we get into the process, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helps you out. Also, I've added my Elementor affiliate link in the description. If you're planning to use it, your support would mean a lot. Now, start by opening your browser and logging into the WordPress admin panel of your site. From the left menu, click on Elementor and go to Settings. Once there, click the Advanced tab at the top and enable the option called Enable Unfiltered File Uploads. Scroll down and hit Save Changes. Now go back to the Elementor section in the left menu and click on Tools. On the Tools page, choose Import/Export Kit from the top menu. Then click Start Import here. And on the next page, select your template kit file, be it JSON or zip. If a warning pops up about file safety, just click Continue. You'll then see a list of required plugins. Review them, make sure what you need is selected, and click Next. On the next screen, leave the default options, Templates, Content, Site Settings checked. Then click Import Data. The process may take a few moments. Once done, you'll get a confirmation message that your kit is live. Click Close, and you're all set. That's it. Your Elementor kit is now successfully imported. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.